What's up, guys? Back in the garage, gonna work on Steven's car today. Wiring harness, TPS, map, some other stuff. So let's get to it. Alright guys, we got the P-wrap for the fuel lines, we got a clutch line that Tyler fucked up, I gotta fix. We got the TPS, we got some of the stuff for the fuel pump, which I don't have everything so I can't start on that. And we got the K-Pro sensor here somewhere. It's down here. There it is. Yay. Alright, so that's the Honda 4-bar map sensor. So, first thing we're going to do, well I've already started kind of, is get the harness ran. So on the harness, this is an OEM from Honda. If you use this, it's great. Fits perfect, but I just have it like kind of laid out there. Let me show you a piece that you have to take off that will not work. You have to take this big old hunking thing off right here. Take that off. Ain't gonna work, points the wrong way. So, let me get that harness plugged in and we'll get back to it. Alright guys, so I had to take off a bunch of those factory mounting plastic pieces. So here's kind of what it looks like for now, just laid out. I'm gonna have to take that off right here. Then the harness just kind of lays around. And I have to look up the diagram because I don't remember which 1 through 4, because I had to take all of those off because they won't just lay across that K-tune harness. Then the coils go across, and then, you know, come over here, you got the VTEC sensor, and then the VTC, oil pressure, all that. I haven't ran that, I'm just kind of laying it there. Here's a better look at the injector plugs. I'll look that up tomorrow and I'll be able to hook that up. I might have to kind of take this electrical tape away a little bit so it can reach. I'm gonna like tuck it up under so you can't really see it. So that's where I'm at now. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna throw on the map sensor will go here. Idler control valve will go here. I don't have that yet. And the TPS obviously there. I need to bring home my multimeter so I can ohm it out and get it in the correct position. And then there's one lone plug right there. And I think that might be for the reverse lights. So if I can get a plug for that, I can throw it into this side of the harness, which vehicle speed sensor not using, 6-gear reverse lockout not using, and I'm pretty sure this last one is for the reverse. It's only 2 plugs, so if I can maybe get a plug from a harness from Ty or something, I can wire that in. Then I'll have his reverse lights working. So, but yeah, that's where I'm at. So next would be to get those sensors on and the charge harness. We'll put the charge harness on too. So, well, I can need the alternator. So as soon as I get the alternator, I'll put that on. Alright guys, got a little update for you. We were really busy last night, so I didn't get to film any of it. But Eddie, my buddy Eddie, came over and he helped me. Got the wiring harness all ran, the injectors plugged up. Got the shifter cable down there fixed. Now moves freely, it was stuck. Got the fuel pipe on. Got the turbo hard mounted with the gasket. Come around here. We got the heat sleeving on the vacuum lines. I need one more piece for down here. The heat sleeving for the fuel lines, the stuff I got didn't work, so I'm gonna have to get some different stuff. The stuff I got slides over before you actually put on the fitting, and I wasn't going to take all this apart just to slide it on. So they make some that like velcros on and it's just as good. What else? So we got the protective layer around the metal. And really, I mean, oh, got the new clutch line on. Clutch is all bled. So I mean, it's there. Need to hook up the ECU and all that stuff still. I'll do that probably later tonight. and put some oil in it, oil filter. I got the turbo oil line feed and return. Ran, you see that, with a nice protective heat wrap on it. You also got the starter mounted. I'm thinking about doing something with these wires since they're not going to be used. Maybe cutting them off about right here. I'll never ever use these. They're for a K-series transmission. So, oh, also got the map sensor on, TPS on. Just gotta calibrate that TPS, and still waiting on the idle air control valve and the alternator. So really, that's all I got for Steven's car. This is there's gonna be a short video for his car, because basically we're there. I mean, this thing probably sometime, I'd say next week, we'll be heading down to Ty's shop. So very exciting. But as far as my build goes, I got my GearX gears all on. Here, I'll show you. I put all those on yesterday. Got all those 1 through 4 on there. I put new disc bearings on with the OEM LSD, and I'm just measuring the preload for the differential to make sure it's correct. So there's your weekly update on Steven's car, a little bit on my car. We'll be doing some, probably putting the transmission together on Wednesday for mine, and finishing up building this engine. So I got a surprise, but I can't say it yet. Probably next Wednesday, the following Wednesday, not this coming one, but the following one, I'll be able to share my surprise, and it should be pretty cool. So I'll see you guys then, and thank you for watching. If you like it, you know, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the up and coming stuff. So thank you guys for your support. Bye.
Okay, it's rap packed to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin'. Doing this is my calling. Flow is so appalling. My phone off and she calling. I'm like, yeah.